Hey all, Cosmos here. In this video I'm going to do an overview of the CNC marker tools we make. Basically this tool lets you write on things with your CNC machine. So from layout lines for work transfer to validation, verification, all the way through art applications. There are lots of different things you can do with it. They all basically function the same. The differences in these lie in how the machine holds them, so I'll go over the details there so you can choose the one that best fits your machine and your application. Here is our standard CNC marker tool. This one has a 1/2 inch shank on it for use in a collet. It's got a Delrin bearing element, which we call the insert. This has just a fine tip, your garden variety Sharpie marker in it. And there's a bolt in here that shows you the travel and also holds it together. There's a spring inside. To change out the inserts, you take this bolt out and then you put a different writing implement in with its insert. This tool can use up to 9 different writing elements, different inserts for different markers and pencils. This is our BR CNC marker tool. The BR means it has a bronze sliding element. The insert is a bronze Delrin composite build. The shank on this is a 1/2 inch, standard fine tip Sharpie, spring inside. The advantages of this are listed in more detail on the website, but you basically have metal threads and the bronze insert is just a little more robust, easy to keep clean, and holds up a little better. This can also take up to 9 different writing implements with different inserts. This is our 3/8 inch shank CNC marker tool. This has a 3/8 inch shank for use in a collet. This, and there's also a 1/4 inch one, which is pretty much the same thing here. 1/4 inch shank on this, and both of these have the same Delrin bearing element. And the smaller shank is helpful on some machines that can't take larger collets, so different routers and whatnot sometimes can only go up to 1/4 or 3/8, so this is helpful on those smaller machines. The trade-off is the writing implements on these. You can only use 4 different types. The Sharpie mini marker, and then 3 different pencils. There's a regular pencil, fat pencil, and a grease pencil that you can use in these. This model is our 7/8 OD body CNC marker tool for use in ER32 collets, a 7/8 ER32 collet. So what's nice is for machines that have ER32 collet capability directly in the spindle or through tool holders, is you can just grab the body and it can be submerged usually all the way, which means there's very little stick out, which is nice for a compact solution. There's a special bolt that goes in these to keep it nice and sub-flush there. Delrin bearing surface, and the different inserts, you can get up to 9 different writing elements in this tool. This is our mount block. So for machines that maybe don't even have a spindle with a collet, you can drill and tap 2 M5 holes on the side of the machine head somewhere and clamp on to the Sharpie tool. And then you can use a G92 command to offset that from the center line and use it that way. So this is a nice little mount block here that lets you use it on different machines.